Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um, Hope you guys had a good week, the week before on the markets. I did, personally. So, just to dive into it, we're going to be looking at the pairs that we actually looked at last week, which was US100, US30, and XRP as well too. Um, Things are actually looking good. We're seeing a lot of like bullish momentum within the markets. I did map out my zones, as you can be able to see currently right now. But yeah, just to dive into it, um, markets have been pushing up. So we're having a lot of bullish momentum creep in within the markets, as you can see. Uh, Judging based on the candlesticks, we see this really nice bullish uh, volume candlestick creeping in here. I'm expecting this candlestick to also push up within the week. And as we zoom in on the daily, you can see that there's actually bullish momentum picking up as is. If you to act, we were to actually just map out our trend lines, we might actually see an ascending triangle form uh, formation build up. So I'm just gonna show in here. Let's place in here. And if I'm just here. So obviously there has to be a 5-point touch within every triangle that we do actually use. So we could say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so that's the end of the wave. We're just going to be continuously seeing a lot much more bullish momentum pick up within the charts and many more bullish candlesticks actually pushing up. If me just to zoom in on the 4-hour, you see there is some sense of um, previous resistance breaking through, new resistance and support being tested actually within this level here. So if I just take out my horizontal array in this area, like right here, we're going to be seeing price continuously keeping in terms of like staying with momentum and with the bullish trend pushing more higher as is. Today the markets are very slow. It is a US bank holiday. It's the president's uh, inauguration. It's inauguration. I'm not sure the pronunciation, but yeah, that is happening today. And then yeah, so we're going to be also looking at US30. US30 as well too. Mapped out also some of the zones, just looking at how the markets are actually planned about. You actually zoom out on the weekly time frame. Um, you can actually see bullish engulfing candlestick actually um, picking up within this candlestick right here on the weekly. So last week we saw some really crazy bullish momentum push up, and the candlestick actually closing above this weekly line right here. And then once we actually zoom in, we'll actually just map out this rectangle here. This is a demand, very crucial high demand and supply zone. So price kept touching here. There's a resistance, broke through, created support, pushed up, broke this support, this previous support level, came, retested, and created new resistance, pushed down, came and retested this low and touching this weekly line right here, and then pushed up and closing above this weekly level right here. So looking at how things could be playing out within the week as well too. US30, we could be seeing a lot much more highs pushing up within the markets. I am presuming because um, Trump also fundamentally just to actually bring in the aspect, Trump is actually coming into office as we speak right now with what's happening. So could possibly see maybe just a slight retest and push straight to the upside and touching this weekly high, which is around 44,926. So yeah, those kind of just like my predictions, just simplified for you guys, and you see how things are actually looking like on the markets with all the support and resistance levels actually mapped out as being shown. If you are not familiar with the zones that are being shown here, you can backtrack and see some of my YouTube videos and just actually soak up how I actually am able to actually map out some of these zones within on the charts. Then now moving to XRP, my favorite actually. It's been really performing very well within the past week. Potentially be seeing some really nice movement on the upside. I am in on this right now, currently at this level. Let me just place it here. I am in it on this level currently as is right now. So I'm in profit. Let me just show you the positions that I have open right now. As you can see, I am chilling on a little mile of 643 Rand. XRP positions, which are buys, and then I have the US30 position as well too, which is lingering here at 32 Rand. All the other ones are ranging between 150 to 160 Rand. So yeah, things are really going good. And yeah, what I could possibly be expecting, just to zoom out on the weekly with US30 based on that same pattern that I told you guys about. We're gonna possibly be seeing like a large bullish momentum creeping within the markets. Many other bullish candlesticks actually creeping in and passing through $3.40. Potentially maybe touching $4, hopefully. So it is going to be a very bullish week moving ahead. There's a lot of momentum within crypto that's actually creeping in, also with Trump um, creating his own meme coin. So we could see some really nice volatile moves moving straight to the upside in the future with crypto, because it's very looking very healthy. And nice part about Donald Trump is that he's actually pro crypto, so things are going to be actually really looking good with this um, with crypto overall in the next maybe 4 years or so. So yeah, remember I did tell you guys from the previous video, I did catch a lot of like bullish moves going to the upside. Entered within this zone here area. When entered when as soon as it broke past this daily weekly high actually, and then I just carried on riding the wave. And just to actually show you some of like the results based on the history, did take some a few losses. I entered on Shiba yesterday. Took two losses, which like were amounting to 1,100. But overall, to show you the growth and but just to be transparent on the positions being shown, TP was hit here on XRP. You can just check the time and closing of when uh, the the trade was closed. I did close another position on XRP on a 0.1 lot size, and as well too at my second TP hit with XRP and another one. Yeah, this in total was actually kind of amounting to 3 grand also, but with the losses that I took previously with these two trades on XRP with the sell, because I was just trying to bank on the pullback. I did get burnt. But yeah, it's part of the game. You soldier on, you move on, and things just actually work out a lot much more better moving forward as is. Um, and then yeah, I think that is pretty much sure case of what I am looking at within the charts. Still going to be holding these positions as you can see currently right now as is. It's moving up 700 Rand. And I will be checking on the next video. Hopefully, just to give in a little bit of level of transparency based on progress on how I've been actually just trading and showing results. I hope this has helped you as well too, just a little bit, just to actually map out and see on where my directions are within the week and just on entering positions as is following through last week, moving into this week as well too. Hope everyone has a successful week moving ahead and a productive week going forward. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.